Tuesday morning over at the sail job with Little Rye. Yesterday we got it stoned up, we're going to get it whacked in a minute. 2 pillars are going in this morning, but most importantly, the kettle's just on. Brew time. We've sand blinded, we've whacked it, visqueen's down. Ryan's just putting the last little bit of king span in, then we're going to top layer visqueen again, ready to concrete. The inspectors come in anytime now. Hopefully we'll get the all okay, and then this will get concreted. Today, big dog Rye's here with the little dog, Little Rye. Concrete's going in. Ryan's getting that tamped now. The environment boys are here. Get this concrete in, get it level, come back later on. So, slab is now done. That'll go off today. I think we're going to come back later, give it a little float across. And then tomorrow will be the brickies. So that's another one done. So the groundworkers have got it all concreted. All the slab concrete, we got up to DPC, so the groundworkers have got it all concreted. There's 2 steel columns in ready for the crank steel, where it's going to have a full glass A-frame like an Apex, and we've got a full delivery of brick, block, sand. We've got 2 tubs of ready mix, everything we need to crack on for the weekend, and we're going to get as much of this up. So what I'm going to do now is just going to just start sorting out my tools and bits and bobs I need for the day, jump out the van, and we'll have a walk around and see where we're at. I'm going to set a time lapse up, and then we're going to try and hammer as much of this in as we can. It is due to rain, so we might get parts where we're going to be jumping in and out of the van. So I'll catch you all in a second. So as you see now, we started getting the brickwork up. We're up 4 courses already. We got the concrete in over on Friday. That's all complete and ready for an hard working service to work off. Profile up, profile up, profile up in all the 3 corners. Wayne is now just stripping out this old extension brickwork here. We're going to patch it in and build it round as we're coming around as a wanna. 2 steel stanchions in straight away for our crank steel, which is going to have a all glass like triangle frame here, crank steel ridge beam coming off it for the roof. And yeah, we're cracking on in this corner and this corner. Wayne's there. We're going to get all this up, all the mortar used up today, and then we can crack on with just the block work tomorrow. We'll mix that mortar. I'm just going to set the time lapse up now, and we're going to crack on.
There's a couple of high corners on Ant's job, and all we kept on saying, Tony the Tiger's been here, Tony the Tiger. Couple of high corners, Tony the Tiger's side.
I've been playing for everything while you've been away, Tony.
I know.
Yeah, you have actually been playing for everything.
Have we got which jobs? Don't let it go, Tony. Let it go.
just hail. Yeah, just Anthony's job.
I think there's about 20 courses you didn't do on Worsley. We blamed you for that anyway.
Oh, Anthony's job. Oh, I know exactly where I was on Anthony's job, and I was bang on to gauge.
I remember that corner.
That you did. That you did.
It's the one where there's no reds, wasn't it?
Hey, I'll tell you what you did do though. On one of your sides that you was definitely on, you're going to tell him, Wayne, that he forgot the coin detail.
I put it in. Where? Which side?
Yeah, when you actually look at where the front door is, on your right hand side, Tony.
Alright.
I had to take it down, you see.
Which one?
Where the front door is, yeah, on the right hand side, I built the corner.
The front door as you walk on the job?
No, not the big doors, the side door. And on the right hand side, there's you missed it, didn't you? That building, I was like, shit, not the fucking...
Where?
These front doors, see, that's the front door, eh?
You're going to go and have a look at it, Tom.
Oh, no, let's draw a little map on the thing.
Yeah, I'll draw a little map here.
Just draw a little map.
Like that. So you got the house there, like that.
That's the little house, yeah.
That's the house. You got there, that corner there. Front doors there.
I didn't do that.
Oh, you got the blame.
I didn't. Yes, you that way. I didn't do that bit. I know exactly what. The one thing I have. Let's get this right now. Smudgy's back. Put on a bit. Smudge.
On video, I'll use on that corner.
Where on that corner?
On the camera, we actually went back a couple of episodes to find it.
Where's Harley on? I was on the back near where you were on that job.
I wasn't even on
Hey,
that.
No, when you was on the
yeah,
cellar,
yeah,
I was on the back. What?
We don't have dash cam anymore, we have brick cam.
Anyway, let me tell you this now. Smudgy's back. A few pounds extra. Had a good cruise. And I've been blamed for things that Wayne is a gold medalist at blaming me for everything. I know that for a fact. And now it seems that Ollie at the wheel is the same. So I didn't do that bit. I know which bits I was on in Hale, so not guilty, Your Honour.
Hey Matt, at least today you're getting a lot of good content here, aren't you, buddy?
Oh, thank you, Ryan. Thank you. Thank you.
Tony, you have been. I have really missed you though, you know. Come on.
Don't touch me wrists.
You doing all the cuts and all
Not
that.
on me, don't start kissing me like that. Lunatic. Well, we all heard it there, Matt, didn't we? At least you got some good contact now. Well done.
I'm going to go older, mate. Right, so we've got literally just got the block work all the way around up 7 courses, me and Ollie. Wayne and Tony, I think they're on about 8. Me and Ollie now are going to drop on the outside there on this gable. We're going to get the brickwork done because we just had 2 tubs of ready mixed water which has just arrived, and we want to start eating through that because we don't want to put too much weight on the blocks. We don't want the block work buckling because we're on setting out windows now. We're on nibs. So we're going to crack on with this face work now, get as much as we can up, and then at the end of the day we're going to put another course or 2 a block on and leave that to go off till tomorrow. That was a better one, wasn't it?
That was a better one.
Yeah, let's get this on camera. I was fortunate enough to go to Iceland last week, and there was sorry about this one.
That's fine.
Down there.
Yeah, because I'm going to get the blocking soon.
Telling us the ice melted. And it melted 20,000 years ago. Yeah. And there were no aeroplanes, there were no cars, there were no fridges. And I could see in the lens.
I'm gonna put this scene here now to some Baywatch music. Start coming towards me in slow-mo. Definitely doing that.
People stand in the darkness, afraid to step into.
Go for it.
Ollie at the wheels just asked me there, with all my family of bricklayers. I like to point out that my granddad Fred, who died in the Second World War in Burma, fighting the Japanese, was a bricklayer. That's it. No mutterings of "oh, what a hero" or like that.
No, just
laughter. So it was good, that. You know, Fred, Granddad Fred, he's buried in India now. If you think you might have bothered.
We should have all that brickwork complete today over on the cell job we're working on at the moment. We should have. I'm going to go. I've got the wall plates on the way that I've just ordered, so I can cut all them up and get them on at the end of the day. I'm literally just flying over to the builders merchants now because we need 3 packs of insulation to finish the job. And I'm also going to grab a few wall plate straps because I didn't put any on the timber order yesterday. So I'm going to grab all them now, and then we will 100% be have that job complete today, ready for the roof to be started tomorrow. So all the timber's coming tomorrow for that as well. Job update. We've got the block work up to height now. We just need to put the wall plate on. Set up just we've got a course of splits to put on either side of the openings for the lintel height. But we're going to get the brick up first so we know we're working for brick course. And we've got a delivery of timber on the way for the roof. Bosh! Now this extension is up to wall plate. I just need to bed the wall plates on, but we ran out of mortar. But yeah, completely finished from DPC to wall plate in 3 days. We've had a good push on this, and this is ready for the roof. So once I get the ridge beam in, crank steel's in, there's a little bit of a patch here and there, but I'm not too fussed about it. But yeah, everything's on, lintels on, fully insulated, fully complete. Just gotta get the wall plates on, which I'll probably fly over tomorrow and do. But this job is now complete and we're moving on to our next one.